to make a mini slime, so yes. So I'm so obsessed with it, so yeah. So let's get started. Okay, so the things are, you'll be needing some glue. You'll be needing some shaving cream. The shaving cream I'm using contains borax, and yeah, you need borax.
And the shaving
Foam. You'll need some shaving foam. Then you'll need some food coloring, and you'll need a spoon and a container. So let's get started. So now I have just mixed in some glue and shaving cream together. And after you cube both of them, now it's the time where you can add your coloring. So I have just added a pinch of coloring so that I just get that pinkish color. So as y'all can see, it's so pink. So now we are going to add our borax. So I'm adding very less amount of borax in it. I'm just going to add this much. I'm going to put it gradually. So let's see how to make it. What's the result? And then slowly you'll see that it is combining and making a very glob. So, and then when you just try touching it, if it not sticks to you, you can go and mix it with your hands. But if it's touching, add a little more borax. Now guys, I'm touching it and nothing is happening. So yeah, I'm just going in with my hands. And make sure that you don't add too much of borax or it will just cut off.
finished here.
If it's like this, it's tearing again and again, you can even add some water to it and it will fix it. And I have added some water, a little bit of hot water, and it is ended. So yeah, bye. Thank you for watching our video. Bye.
Join videos.
Thanks for joining our video.